It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Silverado. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have a place to store your credit cards and business cards, some interior and exterior lighting controls and dials, WeatherTech all-weather floor mats on the floor, a manually adjusted driver's seat, and a cloth interior. That center console opens up into an additional seat. Next, I will hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons. Next is our driver information center. Overhead, we have some interior light buttons along with a place to store your sunglasses. This is GMC's Infotainment Center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and the date. Below are the hard buttons for our radio and media options, climate control buttons with air conditioning, traction control, and box lighting. At the front of the Silverado, we have black tow hooks, a black bow tie, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, black mirror caps and door handles. As we make our way to the back, you'll notice this truck has 4x4 and the corner step bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. Next, we'll open up the tailgate here. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner and cargo hooks. So come take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Custom, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.